Unless you have an adventure vehicle with dedicated gear storage, I recommend getting a camping box, much like what I have in front of me, so you can throw it in your car, spend a night in the stars, and not forget anything. It's worth noting that you'll have to grab your sleeping bag, your tent, and food to be completely kitted out. Okay, so here's what I keep in my camping box. I have my MSR Whisper Light stove, a camp chair, sunscreen, bug repellent, my Dr. Bronner's, a multi-tool, a water carrier, biscuits and gravy, I love these, camp towel, my MSR Guardian water filter, a Lucy light, my fire starters, headlamp, hatchet, speaker for tunes, my coffee filter, a little hammock for hanging, a sleeping pad, fuel, something to cook out of, a fully stocked first aid kit, something to eat out of, chest set, and my tiny knife. So these are the basics for everything you need to make your own camping box. Thanks for watching. If you want a list of everything I talked about in this video, check the link in the description.